So here we are in my shade house, one of, and I am now showing you some cuttings, some rose cuttings. The ones to the left were taken approximately 6 months ago, and the ones on the right are ones that you've seen in sawdust in the first video, and they are now in pots, or at least the ones with the biggest, juiciest calluses are in pots. And look at those beautiful buds. They are germinating as they are ready. And over here you can see, this was pretty much a salvaging cuttings that I had done in the summer, which was, kind of silly of me, but that's just me wanting to experiment. And you can see that really nice, beautiful little pink bud there. And this has been going on for quite some time, very slow, and I am not touching that pot though. I don't care how much root system they may have now, but I'm not touching. And over here, I don't think anything can be salvaged. This got completely dried out and charred in the sun in sawdust, so it just shows you the timing is everything. And these ones, looking good. But to the right, these beautiful new cuttings. Now what I'm going to do is just leave them in the shade house for as long as they need, until I can pretty much, speculate that they've got strong root systems, strong enough for me to pull out and basically thread out all those beautiful cuttings and repot them in their own separate pots. So, you're looking at a 1 to 2 year process here. It's going to take time, and you don't want to rush it, because believe me, I talk from experience, when you rush this process, you're doing more harm than good. Root systems take, up to a year to really grow properly, nice and strong. I definitely have had my fair share of fails, flops, and little successes. And now the best thing, it's winter. These will be a little dormant, and you can see it's raining. This is the best time to just let them go, let them acclimatize, and, let nature take its course. Let nature take its course and, see what happens. But I don't think there's anything more rewarding than having a true root with its own true root system, as opposed to a graft. I think, it's kind of a rare thing these days. But I like the thought of having these in my garden. Happy gardening. Good luck to all you beautiful rose growers around the world.